All right, so after 4 years and 8 months, I decided to post a review on the INTEX above ground pool that we purchased back almost 5 years ago. If you notice, the upper part is not damaged here because we protected it. It was under the deck. So it looks like the part that got really damaged is the one exposed to the elements. I'm draining it because I just bought a new one, so it's probably gonna last another 5 years. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do that deck around it, even if it's just one slit here, you know, one piece of wood. But man, this thing is, I mean, heavy duty. It lasted almost 5 years with us. The only thing that didn't last much, and I bought a new one, was the ladder. It got really dusted if you leave it inside the pool. I only put it inside when we're gonna use it. This way it lasts longer. This is pretty much it. This is some tough stuff, you know.